Bro, do you think love is ever truly selfless? No, not 100%. Or should I say, it's not supposed to be like that? Or does it always mirror the emptiness we're trying to fill in within ourselves? It shouldn't be like that as well. Love is being selfless but not being entirely selfish to yourself. So kailangan balance pa rin dapat siya. Kasi a lot of people make that mistake. They think that true love is just giving and giving, or love is just about the love that you can give. No. Love is also knowing what you deserve. Though ang problema hindi siya nagiging requirement for a lot of people, kaya pag pumapasok sila sa isang relationship, madalas sila masaktan because all they know is to give. They don't know what kind of love to receive. Bakit hindi nila alam yun? Kasi unang-una hindi nila kayang ibigay sa sarili nila yun. Ito namang, does it always mirror the emptiness we're trying to fill within ourselves? I don't think that's love. This is like a defense mechanism of some sort, or para siyang trauma response. Yeah, question mark. I don't know what exact term I should use. Kasi if we are just seeking for that person to fill in a void, then you can't call that love. You are using that person to fill that emptiness you're feeling. So ibig sabihin, you don't even have to feel something towards this person. As long as they can give you what you need, you're gonna enter a relationship with them. Kung yun yung main point, correct? So hindi ko siya matatawag na genuine love or genuine connection. It's more of nagiging user ka na kung ganun yung lagay. And I don't think this is a rare case. Maraming nag-aakala na pag-ibig ang ganitong klase ng lagay dahil may napupunan sila na pagkukulang sa sarili mo. Gets? Kaya may mga tao din na mas nararamdaman nila na mas nagmamahal sila kaysa dun sa karelasyon nila. The reason is this exactly, yung second statement. Kasi ang tunay na naging papel nila ay punan yung pagkukulang sa sarili ng taong minamahal nila. Hindi yung mismong papel ng pagiging partner o pagiging jowa. Kaya pagdating sa impact ng pagmamahal, nakukulangan sila. Kasi yung mga tao na mamimit nyo na nandito sa second statement niya, yung mga ganyang klaseng tao na mamimit nyo, the relationship is all going to be about them. So again, babalik tayo dun sa pinakaunang statement na I don't think you should be 100% selfless. Pero dapat hindi ka din kasi madamot sa sarili mo. So, find balance in order for you to be able to give love the right way and know how to receive love the right way. Ano yan guys, parang yin and yang, balance of life, Buddhism, yun na yun mismo. So I'll see you in the next video, my young kings and queens. Stream my new single, Sabi Sabi, on Spotify and on all streaming platforms. Also, I already have the first episode of our podcast, Throne Worthy, on Spotify as well. Other than that, nice